Hello dear students, let's learn English. You will need Prepare 6 Students Book and Workbook. Let's start. Open your students' books on page 70 and your workbooks on page 54. Let's start. Let's remember the new words. Computers and the internet. Buy clothes. Chat online. Chat with friends. Digital. Download. Download music. Download videos. Go online. Machine. Memory. Save. Software. Surf the internet. Virus. Visit websites. Watch videos. Let's read the text, The History of Computers. Let's listen to it and read.
The history of computers, around 2700 BCE to today. The abacus. People still use abacuses today in many parts of the world, especially to teach maths to children. Of course, they are very different from modern computers, but the idea is the same: to answer difficult maths questions much more quickly than a human can. 205 BCE, the Antikythera mechanism. In 1900, a group of people diving near the Greek island of Antikythera found this machine on the sea floor. For many years, no one understood what it was or how it worked. Scientists now say it was used to find out the positions of the sun, moon, and stars. Many people call it the world's earliest computer. 1791 to 1871 and 1815 to 1852, Charles Babbage and Ada Lovelace. The modern computer was Charles Babbage's idea. The machine he wanted to build, called a difference engine, was special because it had all the parts that a modern computer has. It could save information and was also a kind of printer. Ada Lovelace was the first computer programmer. She had the idea for software, a way of telling a computer to do different things. 1940s, Alan Turing. Alan Turing wasn't well known when he was alive, but he's now one of the most famous scientists of the 20th century. His ideas on computer science changed the world. He worked on the first digital computer. It was called Colossus, weighed 30 tons, and was as big as a large living room. From the 1950s, modern computers. From the 1950s, computers got smaller, faster, and cheaper. Today, the smallest mobile phones have more memory than the biggest early computers. And computers are getting better all the time. However, they are not perfect. One of the worst problems is computer viruses. You can lose a lot of information when one gets on your machine. Be careful about what you download from the internet.
Let's do exercise number 1. Do you know the names of any early computers? We have just read the article and we have just listened to it. Now let's complete the sentences with one or two words from it. 1. Some children use an abacus to learn how to do maths. 2. Charles Babbage's computer has several different parts. 3. Colossus was as big as a living room. 4. Modern mobile phones are small but can do more than the biggest computers of the past. Now think and answer. Computers can now do a lot of clever things, but are they more intelligent than us? Why or why not? Prove your ideas. Think and answer. Exercise number 1. Look at the article, find the words in the box, match them to the definitions. 1. This helps humans to do work. Machine. 2. This is a part of a computer. It holds information. Memory. 3. This is a dangerous computer program. Virus. 4. You do this to make sure the computer keeps your work. Safe. 5. This describes cameras, computers, and clocks that record information as 0s or 1s. Digital. 6. This means to copy information from the internet onto your computer. Download. 7. This is a set of all the programs that make a computer do different things. Software. Let's do exercise number 2. Match the verbs to the nouns and make the sentences. For example, buy clothes, buy games, buy music, videos, chat online, download games, music, videos, go online, play games, music, surf the internet, websites, visit websites, and watch videos. Your task is to make sentences with these word combinations. But this will be your homework. Write down 6 or 7 sentences into your copybooks. For example, I often chat online with my cousins. Exercise number 3. Read the survey, choose 3 or 4 questions and write 2 more of your own. Walk around the class using your questions. Write sentences about what you found out. Computer survey. What sort of things do you download from the internet? Do you know how to stop a virus from getting onto your computer? How much memory has your phone got? Do you ever forget to save your work? How often do you chat with friends online? You can ask these questions your friends or your family members. Then, write the sentences about what you found out. Good luck! Let's do exercise number 1. What can we use very small computers for? Choose the best answers. Then read the magazine article and check your ideas. Let's read first. The smallest computer in the world. Computers are smaller and smaller every day. The smallest computer in the world is like a grain of rice. It is only 2 millimeters long. It's called a microcomputer because they are useful for doing many different things. Doctors can put one inside a person's body and it can tell them the temperature of part of the body, or it can take photos so they can see what is happening inside the body. These microcomputers can also help us find things. Imagine you can't find your door key or your smartphone. You can put a microcomputer on your key or smartphone and the computer can tell you where your key is. Amazing! They use electricity made from light, so they only need a very small battery and they are very cheap. They aren't heavy, so you can put them anywhere you want, in clothes, in water, or even on an animal. They don't have a screen or a printer, so when you want to look at pictures or print information, you connect them to a different machine. You can't watch films or use them for your homework either. So now let's choose the best answers to the question, what can we use very small computers for? And the answers are for finding lost objects and helping doctors. Very good. Let's do exercise number 2. Read the article again and match the questions to the paragraphs from 1 to 3. Paragraph 1. Why do people want very small computers? Paragraph 2. What is good about these computers? And paragraph 3. What is the problem with these computers? Let's do exercise number 1. What can you do online? Complete the table with the words in the box. Some words can go in more than one column. We can buy clothes, films, music, pictures, shoes, videos. We chat to family, friends. We download films, music, pictures, videos, and we visit websites. We watch films and videos. Let's do the last task for today, exercise number 2. Complete the sentences with the words in the box. 1. I have a lot of photos on my phone, so the memory is almost full. 2. Did you remember to save your work before you turned the computer off? 3. My father has a new digital camera. It takes great photos. 4. The school computers have got a virus, so they don't work very well. 5. My mom loves technology and we have a lot of machines in our house. 6. My school uses special software for sending messages to parents and students. That's all for today. The lesson is over. Your homework is to do exercise number 2 on page 71 in your students' books. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Goodbye and stay safe.